Hello and welcome to the Tarkus Zone. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to be discussing the Ego tractor here, the 42-inch dual blade. This is going to be a quick video on measurements. I had a subscriber ask me, would it go through a standard gate? I really don't know what a standard gate is, but I did do some measurements. So from discharge chute edge to this green edge, you're looking at 54 inches. So from this edge here to the discharge edge of here is 54 inches. Now you can lift this to get you more clearance, which then puts that chute and the deck edge at the tire, you know, it's even with this tire. So if you needed some extra room there, now between this tire and this tire was 41 inches. So if that helps you with the tire from tire. But again, you've got that little knobby there on the deck. You see that green knobby? It comes out another 2 inches. So you got to keep that in mind. Now from the bumper to the tailgate or the knobby here, the metal knobby here is 80 inches. So you're looking at 80 inches from here moving forward. And then you've got obviously the deck width, which we just described. Now, you know, give you an understanding here. This is the opening that I use to get in. It's wider than I need, and I think what you want to do is you want to have a little bit of space in between, you know, where you're trying to get through, so you can just drive in without having. I mean, I see a lot of people drive their tractors in, and then they lean over and they have to pull that offshoot up to get into where they need to go. But I mean, if you've got to get it in a tight garage or a garden shed, you know, those are the measurements. So like I said, quick video. Thank you for joining me.